Yeah.
Oh, let's go. The biggest rooster tail ever. Go up front so we can see it. Careful this car.
Any big rooster tail?
Yeah. Alright, here's a good rooster tail opportunity. You ready?
Okay.
Oh!
A rooster tail?
Watch that car. Alright.
Whoa. I see a rooster tail opportunity right here. Squirting water up my shirt. I bet I'm gonna be so dirty when I hug Mom. I bet she's gonna get the dirtiest body in the world.
I bet she is. Don't be surprised if she doesn't want to hug right away.